Hey guys, how's it going? When I get famous on Instagram, one of the go-to methods is to be using the right hashtags. But where do you find them? It's quite a tedious task to think of all the new random hashtags, the trending ones, the one that highlight your photo or the subject well, how about having an app to do all of the hard work for you? Well, that's what this video is all about. This is Varun from InTik, and in today's video, I'll be talking about the top 7 best free hashtag apps that you can use for Instagram on your Android device. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so kicking things off, we have hashtags. Yep, that is the name of the app and that is basically what it does. Hashtags comes with a very clean and minimal UI that comes with more than 15 categories to choose from, with 150 subcategories to easily find the best hashtags for your photographs or videos. Obviously, there's a search feature here which allows you to search for your choice of hashtags easily. And what's more is that you can create your own hashtag collection as well. Moving along, we have Tagwack. Sounds like a weird name but works very well. Tagwack has more than 20 categories to choose from, with each having more than 5 subcategories of various different hashtags. But the best part here is that you can easily share and copy tags with a single click, making the whole process super simple and super seamless. Now, one cool feature here is that you can add the picture you want to post on Instagram and the app will generate hashtags as well. And more importantly, it can generate the entire caption for the same as well. Alright, now moving along, having a list of hashtags is one thing, but understanding how those hashtags are working and their ranking is another thing. That is where Tagify comes in. Tagify is an AI-based hashtag generator that generates specific hashtags according to the input. Also, it shows you the hashtags with the number of posts, and you can even change the order in which it is shown. The hashtag search tool here is very well optimized and also comes with detailed analysis of the hashtags. What's more is that you also get the option for trending hashtag categories and the ability to create unlimited hashtag collections too. Alright, next up, if you're looking for a very simple and easy to use hashtag generator app, well, hashtag Inspector Pro is one of the best ones that I can recommend to you guys. The app has a super easy to use UI, which is quite clean too. I mean, all you have to do is just simply search for the hashtag and there you get more than 50 plus relevant options to choose from. Just tap on the tags individually to select them or use Smart Select to select them in bulk like +5, +10 or +15. Once done, just add the hashtags to your favorite section by clicking on the star button. You can even check the history of all the tags that you've searched in case you forgot some and just want to repeat one of them. Now, one of the apps that I personally use a lot for generating hashtags is InTags. It's a very reliable app that I've used over the years and yeah, you should definitely check it out. Now with InTags, you get more than 30 categories to choose from, and you can also create specific cards with hashtags for specific photos and then save them to use later whenever you want. You also have different themes to choose from to suit your own liking. Now with InTags, you have to just search and generate hashtags with filters. One use of these filters is that you can basically move the sliders to generate hashtags that are rarely used or always used as per your liking. Alright, chances are that you're using a hashtag app to basically manage your Instagram profile, and that is where hashtag manager comes in very handy. No, I'm not just saying that because the name manager connects with managing, but in general the app is very well tuned. Hashtag Manager comes with more than 40 categories to choose from, and hashtag groups like trending and popular tags are refreshed daily. The app comes with 2 generator options like Advanced and Quick, where the Quick option generates 30 tags automatically that are popular and mostly used by users. It also has a banned hashtags check that helps you check and remove banned tags from the list. Last on this list, we have InsTik, which is basically hashtags for promotion. Now, InsTik hashtags contains a large number of popular trending hashtags. For convenience, they are divided into categories into various catalogs. What's more is that you can add your own hashtags tags to it and then save it for later or future use as well. Now the Smart Choice feature here is my personal favorite, which basically helps you in choosing the most appropriate hashtags based on the frequency of use. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the download links to all of the apps that I talked about down in the description box. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by pressing a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.